In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a record in Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a powerful tool that helps businesses manage their relationships with current and potential customers. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting, adding records effectively is crucial to keeping your database well organized and up to date. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and then navigate to the module where you'd like to create a new record. This could be any of the main modules, such as leads, contacts, or deals. Each of these modules is designed to store different types of customer information, so choose the one that best fits the details you're about to input. For instance, if you're looking to add potential customer information, the Leads module could be an ideal choice. Once you're in the appropriate module, you'll typically see a list view displaying existing records. You have two options to add a new record here. You can either click on the plus Add Record button located prominently at the top right corner of the page, or scroll down to the bottom of the list view to find an empty row that's ready for input. Both actions will open a new record form for you to fill out. Now, take a moment to consider the information you're about to enter. It's important to fill in each field of the form accurately. Typical fields might include the contact's name, company, email, phone number, and any other attributes relevant to this module. If your organization has customized the form fields to better suit your needs, make sure you have all the necessary details on hand to complete them. Taking your time to fill out the form as meticulously as possible can greatly minimize errors and improve the quality of your CRM data. After you've completed filling in all required fields to your satisfaction, go ahead and click the Save button. This crucial step will ensure that all the information you've entered is captured and stored in Zoho CRM. Watching out for any on-screen prompts or validation messages can also help you ensure nothing is accidentally omitted. As soon as you click that Save button, congratulations, you have created a new record. This record now has a unique ID, automatically assigned by Zoho CRM, simplifying the task of retrieving it in the future for updates or reference. This unique ID acts as an essential anchor for this specific piece of data within a sea of CRM entries. And there you have it, a straightforward process for creating a new record in Zoho CRM. Remember, keeping your records accurate and synchronized across modules not only aids in efficient data management, but also enhances your business's ability to engage and build relationships with your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide on creating records in Zoho CRM helpful. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher, and happy CRM managing!